back to my channel, sending you our reactions today. You guys, I got some more videos to react to. Today, you guys, we got the best of Tim Conway, you guys. This is Dog's Life full sketch. It says sketch, but skit. Let's get straight to you guys. Let me know how you guys feel. Try not to laugh challenge. This was during quiz. Shout out to the subscribe to the channel. Help you get out of the channel out. Let's get straight to it. Let's see if he makes us laugh.
Tell me the truth. Do you think little Brucey is going to be all right?
Don't worry about him. He's in there with the best doctor in town.
What time are the Cushmans coming?
Well, they said they're going to be here any minute. I don't understand that.
Oh, darling, I certainly hope Mr. Cushman gives you that contract.
Huh?
Oh, the doctor. Oh, Brucey.
Oh, no, don't worry. It's just a little doggy virus, that's all. Nothing to worry about.
Come on, Mommy,
Hey, Miss
darling.
Smith,
Oh.
you hold him, and I'll give him a shot of serum, and he should be just
Oh,
fine.
hello, sweetheart. Oh, will that hurt?
Oh, no, not much. Okay, now
Okay,
hold him
needles.
steady.
Help me
here,
hold
let me
him,
help.
darling. Yes.
Oh, put your hand right in.
Crying out loud.
Be quiet now. Don't carry on in front of the BAB.
Here, let's try it again.
Here, darling. That's it, sweetheart.
There we are. Now, good night's sleep. He should be as good as new.
Thank you, doctor. Come on, sweetheart. Mommy will put you to bed, and then Daddy will tell you a story.
I don't. Not tonight, Daddy. Not.
Well, thanks for coming over to the house, Doc. Make a house call like that. Gee, you must really love animals.
Oh, yes, I do.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and here's your bill.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. $50.
If there's anything I love more than animals, it's money.
Good little baby, you're sound asleep now.
You'll probably be all right. Just get a little rest.
How's your hand, darling?
Oh, it's all right. Just get a little hole in there. It'll be okay.
Let me look at it. You all right?
Yeah, well, it's just a little mark on it there. It'll be all right.
Wonder what's keeping the Cushmans.
I don't understand that. No, we told him exactly 7:30. Wait a minute. I hear him coming up the walk now.
Is he a dog? Like he has dog senses and stuff?
You do?
Uh-huh. Yeah, they'll be here any minute.
Are you sure?
Huh? Well, sure. Oh, yeah. I wonder if I'm having a reaction from that shot.
Oh, now that's all in your mind. Don't be silly.
Yeah, well, I suppose you're right.
Stop.
This is a good opportunity for you. Now quit kidding around.
I'm not kidding.
He said, "I'm not kidding."
Oh, hello, Betsy. My dear, how are you? I don't believe you've met Mrs. Cushman.
Oh,
How do you do? My wife, Dorothy.
How do you do?
Nice to meet
Please
you.
sit down.
Thank you.
Darling, why don't you take Mrs. Cushman's stole?
There you go. Thank you very much. I'll just put it over here.
Oh God. No. Stop. Why?
Douglas, why don't you join us, darling?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Douglas, perhaps the Cushmans would like a drink.
No, nothing for me. Benson, I would like to see those designs for the new shopping center, though.
Oh, yeah. I'll fetch them.
I made some hors d'oeuvres. Would you care for some, Mrs. Cushman?
Oh, well, thank you. That's very kind of you. I'm on a very strict diet, but, well, since you went to all the trouble, thank you.
Mrs. Benson, I think very highly of your husband. We're planning on building not only shopping centers, but industrial complexes and hotels. I cannot tell you how a clever young architect, how far he can go in our organization.
Oh, I'm delighted to hear you say that, and wait until you see my husband's designs for the shopping center. They're fantastic.
Can't wait.
I'll go see what's keeping him. Douglas, did you find the drawings? Douglas, what are you doing? Douglas? Douglas, what are you doing? What is the matter with you?
I don't know. Must be that darn shot that doctor gave
Well,
me.
will you just cool it?
All right.
Take these then to Mr. Cushman. That way. Put them in your paw. Your hand.
Your paw.
Oh, here we are. There you go, right there.
Oh, good boy. Just give me a moment.
Good
now.
boy.
Flip them over.
Could I get you anything more, Mrs. Cushman?
Well, I would enjoy a soft drink if you have one. Thank you.
What about you, darling?
Oh, maybe just a doggy treat.
A
He's a
Scooby
brilliant
snack.
young architect, but I just hate it when he tries to be funny.
Benson, these are very interesting indeed.
You know, these are quite lovely. Would you care for one?
No, thank you. I'm not allowed on the table.
Now, you just look at this. Have you ever seen a supermarket like that?
No, that's very, very interesting. You know, you really have a great deal of talent, Mr. Benson. Well, if you'll both excuse me, I think I'll see if I can help in the kitchen.
Benson, there's something I don't understand here. Come here a minute. Benson?
I'm embarrassed for him. Like,
What is this?
this is a big opportunity.
Benson, what is this empty space here next to the drugstore? Oh, I see. A drive-in prescription counter. Good thinking. You know, the more I see of your work, Benson, the more I like it.
How is he not paying attention to him?
Let me let you in on a little secret,
How is he
Benson.
not paying attention to him? Germs.
Benson? I'm going to let you in on a little secret, Benson. I've been bidding against... I've been bidding against...
Why would he say something?
I've been bidding I've been bidding against 2 land developers for this contract, and I'm going to get it. But they don't think so. They're going to be surprised. They think I'm going to fall apart. But you know what I'm going to do?
Can't take him serious. He the one holding him.
You know what they're expecting me to do? Roll over and play dead.
I brought you a drink, darling.
Oh, good. Thank
I
you.
swear. No,
Benson, do you have anything on that new hotel we discussed?
Oh, yes. I have some other plans on that. I'll get those. Yeah.
Bruh.
I'll help him.
She got talking doggy words.
Stop acting like this.
I don't know what's come over me.
You're gonna blow this whole deal. Will you stop?
Stop nagging me for...
I'm not nagging. No, you take these drawings into him. Not that. Ow! Oh, you bit me. Oh, go. Bad doggy.
Bad doggy.
I didn't mean to bite you. Well, here, let me look at it. Give me those plates.
So he can't even bite her.
Here are the plans for the experiment.
Take that right.
Good. Can't wait to see these.
You know, you really have quite a charming place here. Just charming.
Thank you. Where do you and Mr. Cushman live?
Well, we have a townhouse in the East 60s, you know, where we stay for the winter. It's adequate. I mean, they're just the two of us. There are 12 rooms, but it's quite all right. And then during the summer, we have a place on the Cape. And we stay there until Labor Day.
Must be nice.
And then the rest of the year, we travel quite a bit.
Are they not going to say anything at all?
We go to Europe a lot and the Orient.
She's finally paying attention.
Is there anything wrong, Mrs. Benson?
No, why do you laugh?
Well, you were doing something a little odd there.
I was?
Yes, you were, honey. As a matter of fact, you were.
Oh my God.
Dear, I think we had better be going.
Beg your pardon?
Yes, we are due with the conference.
They all
and it's almost that now.
Oh, yes, of course, dear. You don't mind if I take this with me, do you, Vincent?
Oh, right ahead. Yes, whatever feels right.
Yes, pardon me, but could you tell me where is my soul?
It's over there.
I'll get it. Yeah, good. Just give me dear.
Well, Mrs. Benson, I can't tell you how much I enjoyed your hospitality and how highly impressed I am with your husband's work.
Oh, thank you. That makes me very happy.
Oh my God. How embarrassing.
Benson, I believe you've been working very hard lately, eh, Benson?
This is just
Perhaps
a
you need a vacation,
man.
Benson. I know just the place. Wonderful little mountain resort, very picturesque and quiet.
Yes, no children or pets allowed.
That was so funny. Okay, so since he got a shot, it turned him basically into a dog or made him act like dogs, and she got bit, so it made her start acting like one. This would be so embarrassing. I was starting to get embarrassed for him. I was like, oh my gosh, this is a big opportunity for you, and y'all just crazy. So let me know how you guys feel. This was very funny. I lost. Let me know if you lost down in the comments, you guys. Try not to laugh challenge. Smash that like button, you guys, and if you're new, welcome. Hit that red one. Let's go, y'all.
You bring me comfort to my soul.